Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal for dropshipping. PayPal offers a widely trusted payment platform, allowing your customers to pay conveniently and securely, no matter where they are located. It integrates seamlessly with most e-commerce stores, making it simple to set up and manage your payment processes efficiently. Using PayPal helps establish immediate credibility, ensuring a smooth and professional checkout experience for all your customers. Setting up a PayPal business account is your first step to managing dropshipping payments professionally. This account type offers essential features like multi-user access and detailed transaction reports, which are not available on personal accounts. Ensure all your business information, including your legal name and address, is precisely entered and verified. Linking your primary bank account and confirming your identity will finalize your setup, preparing you for secure financial operations. Efficiently handling transactions is key to a thriving dropshipping business. Integrate PayPal directly with your chosen e-commerce platform, enabling automatic payment processing when customers make a purchase. Take advantage of PayPal's robust multi-currency capabilities to accept payments from global customers without complex conversions. Regularly review your transaction history and reconcile sales data. This helps you track earnings and manage finances precisely, maintaining a clear overview of your business performance. Preventing funds holds and customer disputes is vital for a smooth operation. Always provide valid shipping tracking numbers immediately after an item is dispatched, as this significantly reduces buyer-initiated claims. Maintain clear, consistent communication with your customers regarding their order status and delivery expectations. Promptly respond to any inquiries or complaints, ideally within 24 hours, demonstrating excellent customer service and resolving issues proactively before they escalate into formal disputes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.